I came here by foot. Wrong. But what's the correct answer? Do you know? I'm not in a relationship at the moment or in the moment. How should I say? Right now, I'm in the train or on the train. Watch this video until the end to master the 50 most confusing prepositions that you will use every day in English. Let's get started. Hey, I'm the train. I'll call you when I get the car. I'm on the train. I'll call you when I get in the car. Most prepositions are confusing because there are no rules, but legend has it that if you can actually walk comfortably, then use on. So we say on a plane, train, and bus. If you need to crouch to get in, then use in a car, in a taxi cab, in a helicopter. Now, don't go asking me about submarines and hot air balloons unless you have one. Do you? And I know some of you are already typing, but we say on a bike and on a motorcycle. I know, the rule doesn't apply. There is no space to actually walk on or get in. So yeah, we say on a motorcycle, on a bike, but then again, think about, and don't say, we say in a house. We are talking about vehicles, yeah, means of transportation. Next, I'm in the corner, but
the fancy restaurant. The corner is a popular spot for special occasions. At or on the corner.
The restaurant is at or on the corner. Now the difference is this. If the corner is in, right? So we see it from this side, then I'm in the corner. If it's outside, we see it from this side, then it's at or on. All right? Let's carry on. Right now, I am home. I'm at home. Bonus point, in informal English, we can even say I'm home without at. Remember, I'm at home, but I'm in my house. At home, in the house. Don't forget that. One more thing. I'm recording this video the morning. In the morning, but I will upload it night. At night. Why? No reason. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but at night. So them. Hey. Yeah, sure. We can meet the weekend. Did you say at the weekend? Did you say on the weekend? Well, they're both correct. We can say at or on the weekend. The difference is the following. At the weekend, British English. On the weekend, American English. But never in the weekend. Never, ever. And by the way, when is your birthday? Mine is June 1st. On June 1st, right? We say in June, on day, right? Monday, Tuesday. So on June 1st. But seriously, I'm so curious now. When is your birthday? Leave a comment below. Next one. Look at this. I'm the picture. I'm in the picture, but my sunglasses are on the picture. All right, next. I'm going to work. Foot. On foot. If you said bye, don't worry. You're not the only one making this mistake, and it's totally understandable because we say by plane, by train, by bus, but we say on foot. Now help me finish this conversation. How did you get here? Car. Good. By car and not with car. If you say with car, I imagine you holding hands with a car. You are killing it. You're doing an amazing job. Let's continue and practice listening at the same time. I'm recording different accents on purpose.
The child is playing. The street. In the street. The street performer danced. The street. On the street. Sherlock Holmes and John Watson lived. 221B, Baker Street. At 221B, Baker Street. In American English, in the street usually means in or on the part of the road where cars drive. Example, the children are playing in the street. It's not safe because cars might hit them. In contrast, on the street can mean the same thing, but it can more broadly refer to things near or along the street. Example, there are a lot of fancy shops on that street. The houses on that street are beautiful. In American English, we wouldn't use in for this broader meaning. At plus street is used to specify a particular address or location on the street, pinpointing a specific point or building number. Example, the event will take place at 24 Wall Street, in the heart of the financial district. Example, the shop is located at the street corner, easily recognizable by its distinctive sign.
Now for the following prepositions, there aren't really many rules. All you need to know is that it is what it is, and you need to learn them by heart. So for example, if I say, shall we go to the beach tomorrow? You will say, it depends the weather. On the weather, not from the weather. I hear this mistake all the time. Another one. I'm not afraid spiders. Of and not from. Oh my god, I'm moving so much to record this video. I think I already lost 1 or 2 pounds. Next one. Oh, sorry, I sent you that email. Mistake, not purpose. By mistake, not on purpose. I have a question for you. Do you think you and I have a lot common? And that's good, but seriously, do you think we have anything in common? You know me, but let me tell you more about myself. So as you know, I'm into fashion. I'm crazy about food, and I am keen on working out and having a healthy lifestyle. What else? I'm fluent in 5 languages and I live abroad. Practice, leave a comment, tell me about you. You and I have the following in common, and use prepositions right now. Right now. Time to ask my assistants for help so that you can improve your listening as you learn these prepositions. Vamos.
I am not in a relationship. The moment. At the moment. During the yoga class, she felt completely. The moment. In the moment. At the moment refers to the current time or the present moment. It is used to indicate something that is happening or true right now. Example, I am busy at the moment. Can we talk later? In the moment refers to being fully present and engaged in what is happening at a particular time. It describes a state of being focused on and immersed in the present experience. Example, she was so in the moment during the performance that she forgot about everything else. You're doing an amazing job. Last 5 sentences with common prepositions. She paid for her course. Advance. In advance. I am going. A walk. For a walk. I am going. Holiday. On holiday. Please make sure you're time for class. On time. Did you say in time? Do you know the difference between in and on time? Leave a comment below and let us know if we should record common preposition part 2. I am going. Home. Nothing. I'm going home.
Thanks for watching this video. I know what you're thinking. This video is too good. No, we want more. Well, I got more for you, so go ahead and watch this video to improve your listening, speaking, and learn more prepositions. So go ahead and watch it here and make sure to check out my daily videos.